If your AI agent can touch everything, one mistake can touch everything. That is the quiet security problem behind today's agent hype. The fix is not to panic, and it is not to buy one more dashboard. The practical fix is a smaller blast radius. Think of every agent like a contractor walking into a factory. You would never hand that contractor the master key, the payroll login, the production switch, and the customer database just because they seem helpful. But that is exactly what many teams are doing with AI agents, connecting them to code, tickets, cloud tools, docs, messages, and data before they have a real safety perimeter. Sophos framed this as blast radius reduction for AI agent deployments. I think that phrase is useful because it turns agent security from a vague fear into an operator question. If this agent misunderstands the task, gets tricked by a prompt, or calls the wrong tool, how far can the damage spread? Here is the underdog move. Do not start by asking how smart is the agent. Start by asking how small is the box. The box is the mechanism. One job, one tool set, one time window, and one clean way to revoke it. If the agent is summarizing support tickets, it does not need deploy rights. If it is checking logs, it does not need customer export permissions. If it is opening a pull request, it probably does not need the keys to production. Smaller scope sounds boring, but boring is what lets small teams use powerful tools without betting the company on every run. The second part is time. Permanent access is where helpful automation becomes hidden liability. Give the agent a short-lived permit for the task in front of it. When the run ends, the permit expires. That way, the agent can still move quickly. But yesterday's experiment does not become tomorrow's forgotten backdoor. This is the difference between an agent with a job badge and an agent with a master key. The third part is visibility. A blast radius box is not only permissions, it is also logging what tools were available, what the agent called, what data left the boundary, and what happened when the task failed. You are not trying to watch every token like a hawk. You are trying to make the important question easy after every run. Did the agent stay inside the box we designed for it? This matters because agent mistakes will not look like old software bugs. They will look like reasonable actions in the wrong context, the right command on the wrong repo, the right email to the wrong list, the right data pull with the wrong audience. A smaller blast radius turns those mistakes from business-ending events into contained drills. That is the point, not perfect agents, recoverable agents. So before you connect the next AI agent to your workflow, draw its danger zone. What is the one job? Which tools are truly required? How long should access last? What gets logged? And what button revokes everything? If you can answer those 5 questions, you are not being anti-AI. You are becoming the operator whose agents move fast because the danger zone is designed small.